100 English words that start with F. Listen and repeat for beginners.
Hello again, English learners.
Welcome back to English Podcast. We're happy to see you.
Today's lesson is all about the letter F.
You'll learn 100 useful English words that begin with F.
Just listen and repeat each word clearly.
Speak along with us,
Practice every day.
and you'll speak English with confidence.
Listen and repeat.
Face,
Face,
fact,
fact,
fail,
fail,
fair.
fair,
Faith,
faith,
fall,
fall,
false,
false,
family,
family,
famous,
famous,
fan.
fan. Great job so far.
Let's move on to the next set of F words. Fancy,
Fancy,
fantastic,
fantastic,
far,
far,
farm,
farm,
farmer,
farmer,
fast,
fast,
fat,
fat,
father,
father,
fault,
fault,
favorite.
favorite.
You're doing amazing.
Repeat each word and stay with us.
Fear,
Fear,
feast,
feast,
feature,
feature,
February,
February,
feed,
feed,
feel,
feel,
female,
female,
fence,
fence,
festival,
festival,
fever.
fever. We're almost halfway there.
Let's keep learning together. Few,
Few,
fiction,
fiction,
field,
field,
fight,
fight,
figure,
figure,
file,
file,
fill,
fill,
final,
final,
find.
find.
You're doing great.
Let's continue.
Finger,
Finger,
finish,
finish,
fire,
fire,
firm,
firm,
first,
first,
fish,
fish,
fit,
fit,
five,
five,
flag,
flag,
flame.
flame. Just 30 more to go. Keep going.
You're doing wonderfully. Flash,
Flash,
flat,
flat,
flavor,
flavor,
flight,
flight,
floor,
floor,
flower,
flower,
fly,
fly,
focus,
focus,
fog,
fog,
fold.
fold.
You're doing fantastic.
Let's finish strong.
Follow,
Follow,
food,
food,
fool,
fool,
foot,
foot,
football,
football,
for,
for,
force,
force,
forest,
forest,
forget,
forget,
fork.
fork. Just 10 more. Stay with us.
You're almost there. Form,
Form,
formal,
formal,
fortune,
fortune,
forward,
forward,
fossil,
fossil,
found,
found,
for,
for,
foundation,
foundation,
free,
free,
friend.
friend.
That's it. 100 F words done.
You did such a great job.
Watch this again to practice more.
The more you speak, the more confident you'll be.
Subscribe to English Podcast.
For daily practice and learning.
Keep going. You're improving.
We'll see you in the next lesson.